Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel, Tips Window. Today I'm going to tell you about creating a website for your company or startup. Creating a website for your company or startup involves several key steps. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step 1. Define your goals and objectives. Determine the purpose of your website. Do you want to showcase products and services, generate leads, provide information, or sell products online? Identify your target audience and their needs. Understand who your website is catering to and what they expect from it. Set specific goals. Determine what actions you want visitors to take on your website, such as filling out a contact form or making a purchase. Step 2. Plan your website structure and content. Create a sitemap. Outline the main pages and their hierarchical structure. Plan page content. Decide on the key information, visuals, and messaging for each page. Consider user experience. Ensure easy navigation, clear calls to action, and a consistent layout throughout the site. Step 3. Choose a domain name and web hosting provider. Select a domain name. Choose a memorable and relevant domain name that aligns with your brand. Choose a web hosting provider. Research and select a reliable hosting provider that meets your website's technical requirements. Step 4. Design your website. Determine the visual style. Consider your brand identity and design a visually appealing and professional website. Create wireframes or mock-ups. Sketch out the layout and design of key pages to visualize the structure and placement of elements. Develop a responsive design. Ensure your website is optimized for different devices and screen sizes. Step 5. Develop your website. Choose a development approach. Decide whether to use a website builder, content management system, or custom development. Write HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Develop the front-end code to create the visual and interactive elements of your website. Set up a database if needed. If your website requires dynamic content or user interactions, set up a database to store and retrieve data. Integrate back-end functionality. Implement server-side logic and functionality, such as form submissions, user authentication, or e-commerce features. Step 6. Optimize your website. Ensure fast page load times. Optimize images, minify code, and implement caching techniques to improve website speed. Implement SEO best practices. Optimize your website's content and structure to improve search engine visibility. Test and debug. Thoroughly test your website across different browsers, devices, and screen sizes to identify and fix any issues. Step 7. Publish and launch your website. Upload your website files to the hosting server. Set up domain and DNS. Point your domain name to your hosting server. Test again. Double-check that your website is functioning correctly and looks good on the live server. Step 8. Monitor and maintain your website. Regularly update content. Keep your website up to date with fresh content, news, and updates. Monitor website performance. Use analytics tools to track website traffic, user behavior, and conversions. Perform backups. Regularly backup your website's files and database to avoid data loss. Remember that building a website is an iterative process, and you may need to refine and make improvements over time. Consider seeking professional assistance or collaborating with web developers and designers if you require specific expertise or want to ensure a polished end result. I hope you like this quick video on creating a website for your company or startup. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.